What up, y'all? Terry Warfield. I hope you're having a good day so far. If this is your first time here, a big fat welcome to you. And if you're part of the fam, you're part of the squad, you came back, welcome back. Right now, we are on an excursion. Me and my man Icon Abe. Say what's up.
What's up, everybody?
Yo, if y'all into like high performance RC cars and trucks and cars that can go like 100 miles an hour and do backflips, hit his page. I'll put the link in the description. But we going on an excursion. My friends over at Freewell sent me their new anamorphic lens for the Mavic Air 2, and I want to go test it out. So this ain't about to be like a super in-depth review. I just want to get some dope footage, show y'all what it's all about. I haven't used this lens before. I'm not expecting it to be like some super cinematic $5,000 anamorphic lens, but I think it will be dope to get some nice flares and also that wider field of view that we all love from anamorphic. So without further ado, let's get it. All right, y'all, we downtown. My bad about the noise, it's mad loud. We stuck between two bridges, but we about to get some dope footage, and then when we get done, we're gonna go back to the house to talk about my experience, what I thought about the lens and all of that. So y'all ready to see something dope? Yes? All right, let's do it. All right, I lied. So real quick before we take off, that's what the lens looks like. And like any other filter on the front of the Mavic Air 2, you just take that front cover off, and then the filter screws right on. So let me put it on, and then I'll show y'all another clip real quick of what it looked like. All right, that's the lens mounted on the Mavic Air 2. So basically all you gotta do is mount it and then start filming. So this time I'm serious. Are y'all ready to see something dope? Let's go. All right, y'all, back at the house, and we got to talk about this. So real quick, I'm gonna throw this out there again. Freewell did send me this anamorphic lens for no charge. They did not ask me to make a review. They didn't ask me for anything, for real. So all of these opinions I'm about to give you are my opinions. I will put the affiliate link to the Freewell Anamorphic adapter for the Mavic Air 2 down in the description. They also make one for the Osmo Pocket, and it's only $39.99. So it's actually not a bad price to get a dope addition to your Mavic Air 2. So some initial thoughts, right? I appreciate the size of it. It's super small. It's super easy to install. I think my only gripe is you can't use an ND filter along with the anamorphic lens. So on one hand, you are getting this anamorphic look, right, which looks more quote-unquote cinematic. However, you can't use an ND filter, which is another piece of your video looking quote-unquote cinematic, to control your shutter speed to try to adhere to the 180-degree shutter rule. So it's a give and take, right? With that being said, I do think that for 40 bucks, this lens is a sweet little addition to your Mavic Air 2. For what it does, I actually really dig it. Now, a few things in particular. First of all, the flares. We all love anamorphic for the wide look and for the flares. Some of the cheaper anamorphic lenses out there, the flares just don't look natural, right? I intentionally went out at night to film with this just so y'all can see what the flares look like. And personally, I find them very pleasing. I don't find them to be unnatural looking or it doesn't look out of place. So I love that look, you know what I'm saying? The second thing y'all need to know is it's only a 1.15 times anamorphic. This isn't going to give you that super wide look because it's only a 1.15 times anamorphic. Now to de-squeeze it, you can use whatever program that you want to use. It's the typical de-squeeze process that you would go through for any other footage. But aside from that, I didn't find any noticeable difference in image quality with the lens on there. Now again, I filmed this at night, so the ISO was up there, so the footage wasn't the cleanest to begin with, but I don't think it looks any better or worse than other clips I've done at night without that lens adapter on there. So overall, again, I think for 40 bucks, it's a way that you can make your footage look more cinematic on your Mavic Air 2, and it's super easy to use. You get those dope flares and you get that wider field of view for your Mavic Air 2 without, to me, any noticeable difference in loss of quality. So anyways, that's all I got for you. Again, the affiliate link is in the description. Let me know what y'all think about the Freewell Anamorphic lens and if you copy one. So till next time, that's all I got for you today. I'm out. Piece of chicken grease, Terry Warfield. Peace.